Early, keep your head up. Gotta get your bread. Yeah, hustlers, keep focused. Straight up. Remember, everything you do is on fire. They are watching. They are seeing. It's just a matter of when you slip up. So if you're hustling, hustle and do that shit good. If you're working, do that shit good. See? If you're doing whatever you do, stay focused on doing that good.
Ja, geht, wenn du nach vorne, von vorne kommst, so was rein. Oder was? Das hätte
It's a bird, keep your head up. Gotta get the bird, we keep our head up. Rolling, Mr. Listen to these stepping facts. No one is a living you, this is your clock. People listen, smart, listen when you hear the clap. Another mother, all the way, she suffered the loss. Welcome to these living streets. Sharp like white sheets, where you love your seat. The less fortunate get treated like some refugees. But don't get fed up, keep your head up, stay on the street. Well, right now, never done the big stage. This ain't your age, just like we're not stopping on the big page. I mean, I tell us that the system keeps the thing on range. It's kinda strange, the market by your range, what the price. Gotta get your bread, hustlers keep your head up. And no matter where you come from tonight, Germany, Trinidad, Africa, Amsterdam, Belize, Rio, Africa, it don't matter where you're from. One nation, Jamaica, representing real music. And we are here representing Attic, yeah, straight outside of Jamaica, Monty, on the guitars. Monty on the guitars, man! it's gonna be the shit on YouTube. This shit is gonna be glowing. The lights are here. Love Jamaica, me not say love. We can't clip the wings and we can't fly out. And when we day and yard and rock around Berlin, we still a represent Jamaica. Lighters under the tree with a